I'm Travis from Danks Designs. Thanks for tuning in. Today we're going to talk a little bit about QR codes and what they can do for your business. So we're talking today about energizing your brand and your business. So QR codes are a good way to help do that. A little bit about Danks Designs. We're a full-service design agency. We've been in business about 17 years and we've helped brands achieve millions in sales and ROI, return on investment. So QR codes, here's an example of one. This is my LinkedIn profile. They're a quick response code. Here's a few more examples. This one's Instant Messenger, Snapchat, again, LinkedIn, and then you can also self-generate them. We can help you do that. QR codes are used to give and receive information. They're useful, they're very quick. You can use them for V cards, also contacts, name, phone number, email, event registration, take someone to a web page. You can also use them for coupons, discount codes, and many other uses. So you use your camera on your smartphone and you can send and receive information engaging the user. Most newer phones work fine, you don't have to do anything, but on some Androids you may have to download an app. So QR codes are a big impact. You can use them on business cards, letterheads, websites, events, apparel, magazines, and many more uses. I've seen them on car wraps. Here's a few examples. Again, magazines, shoes, social media, discount codes, coupons. Take them to a specific landing page. A quick data exchange is what they are. And then identifying trends. Of course, everybody nowadays is using social media, Facebook being the biggest. So the idea is that you want to anchor your website with your search engines, and that way if you want to send people either to your social media pages or from your social media pages, you could do that, and an easy way to do that is by using QR codes. And just one quick stat about them. So by 2020, 11+ million users will be using QR codes. Thanks everyone for your time. Here's my contact information if you'd like some help on any projects, and look forward to talking to you guys soon. Thanks.